Edmodo is the tool that we'll be using in class to distribute the weekly assignments as well as for communication, mostly between you and me, but also sometimes to the whole class. So to create your free account, go to www.edmodo.com and click on I'm a student, create new Edmodo account, enter here your first name and your last name and the group code that I gave you. Then you'll need a username. The username has to be something that nobody else using Edmodo has chosen. So you might need to try a few things before you find something that works. Once you're in Edmodo, no one will see your username. So within our class website inside Edmodo, you will be identified by your first name and your last initial. So it doesn't matter what username you pick here, nobody will see it. Entering an email is optional. It does allow you to receive notifications from Edmodo. If I have posted something or replied to something, you can, but you can also add an email later if you want to, so no need to do it when you sign up. And then enter a password and click sign up for free. Once you click sign up for free, it will ask you for a parent email or phone number to let them know that you're using Edmodo. I know your parents know that you're using Edmodo. So I don't think you actually need to enter anything in there. When I made the artificial, or the, what would you call it, the sort of pretend student to be able to show you how this works, I did not enter anything there, and the site seems to work just fine. So that is how you get your account. Once you have your account, you will log in, and you'll actually log in up here in the upper right corner once you have an account. Once you log in, this is what you will see, and this is the home screen. So if you ever get lost inside Edmodo, just click home and it will take you back here. The most important places within Edmodo that you will need to go are over here on the left where it says Physics Class 2017-18. It's in there that you will find all the assignments you need. And you'll also need to know how to contact me through Edmodo. That's the best way to reach me if you have questions. So on this home screen is one of the ways you can contact me. You can send a post. So right up here it says type your note here. So you can say, I need some help on number 42. I don't know what to put in for the acceleration. Okay, so there's your question. You want to send it to not the whole class, probably. You could send it to the whole class. Sometimes that works great. Or you can send it just to me and then click send. And you'll notice that your post shows up right here to me. And you'll also see a note that I sent to the entire class. Okay, so that's from the home page, everything that you can see. Now, if you click on Physics Class 2017-18, you will now see a banner up here that indicates that you are now within the physics class, things that are just for the physics class. You can also send a post to me from in here. So you would just type your note here. You can choose to send it to the whole class or to me, either one. The only thing is you have to realize is that if you are within the physics class part here, you might not see all of your posts. So you'll notice that the post before that you sent, that Cabin Fever sent to Mrs. Hunter, it's visible here on the home page, but within the class page, it's not there. So just be aware that in order to see all the posts that you've sent or that I've sent to you individually, you might have to look at the home page. Okay, the second important thing here is folders. This is where you'll find all the assignments each week and the solutions. So there will be 2 folders for every week. I'm calling this week 0 because we haven't really started yet. So week 0 assignments. If you click on the folder, you'll see 4 documents here. There will always be one of them, which is the assignment sheet. You need to print that one for sure. So let's click on it. Here's the assignment sheet. We'll talk about that later in another video, but that is your guide to everything to do before the next class meeting. And then the other things here are documents, or sometimes there will be videos, links that you need in order to complete the assignments. Click on the folder icon to see the folders again, and you'll see there's a solutions folder because one of the assignments this week has a solution. So when you finish it, when you finish the assignment, you'll open this document and use it to check your work and then go back and correct anything that you missed. The purpose is learning. So you need to redo something if it's not correct, or send me a post if you don't understand how to do anything. Okay? The last thing I want to point out is up here in the far right upper corner is the settings. Under settings is where you can enter an email address if you didn't do it when you created your account. You can choose what kinds of notifications you want to get, if any. You can change your password, and that is all you would need to do here. They also have a profile thing here, but you don't need to put anything in the profile. You can if you want to, but we won't be using that. So let me know if you have any questions. Those are the basics of how to use Edmodo, and I look forward to getting started.